Are you a blogger looking to make some cash? Today, we're exploring the top 5 high-paying blog niches that are set to dominate the online space. If you're ready to take your blogging game to the next level and start earning big bucks, keep watching and subscribe for any help with the blogging. With the right niche, you can attract a loyal audience, generate high traffic, and ultimately increase your earning potentials. Let's explore the top 5 high-paying blog niche for 2024.
If you need a video editor for your YouTube channel, Facebook page, or any social media platform, you can contact here.
Number 1, finance and investing. In today's fast-paced world, people are constantly seeking advice on how to manage their finances, invest wisely, and secure their financial future. By creating a blog post focused on finance and investing, you can provide valuable insight, tips, and strategies to help your audience navigate the complex world of money management. From budgeting techniques to stock marketing trends, and there are plenty of content ideas to attract a dedicated readership and lucrative brand partnership. Number 2, health and wellness. With the rise of self-care and holistic living, the health and wellness niche continues to be a lucrative for bloggers. Whether you're passionate about fitness, nutrition, mental health, or overall well-being, there is a vast audience hungry for information and inspiration. By sharing practical tips, personal stories, and expert advice, you can establish yourself as a trusted authority in the health and wellness space and attract lucrative sponsorship and deals and affiliate opportunities. Number 3, our next niche is tech and gadgets. In the digital age, technology constantly evolves and consumers are eager to stay informed about the latest gadget, software, and tech trends. By creating a blog focused on tech and gadgets, you can offer in-depth reviews, how-to guides, and industrial news that caters to tech-savvy audience. Whether you're passionate about smartphone, gaming, or emerging technologies, the tech niche offers endless possibility for monetization through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and ad revenue. Niche number 4, travel and adventures. As the world slowly reopens post-pandemic, the travel and adventure niche is poised for a resurgence. In 2024, people are eager to explore new destinations, embark on epic adventures, and make meaningful connections through the travel experience. By sharing your travel stories and destinations, guides, and tips, you can inspire wanderlust in your audience and attract sponsorship from travel bans, hotels, and tourist boards. Number 5, our final one, personal development. In a world of distraction and constant change, the personal development niche offers readers a roadmap to and fulfillment. Whether you're passionate about productivity, mindfulness, goal setting, or activity, a dedicated audience seeks guidance and inspiration to become their best version. By sharing your own journey, tips, insight, you can build a loyal following and monetize your blog through online courses and affiliate. Share different productivity methods such as techniques, getting these things done. They call it the GTD or Eisenhower box. Provide detailed guides on implementing these strategies and real life examples of their effectiveness. Content around benefits, mindfulness, and meditation. Step-by-step guide on how to start meditating, reviews of meditation apps, and personal stories about mindfulness has impacted your life. Author posts are online that guides readers through setting effective and achievable goals, include templates and tools for tracking progress and tips for staying motivated. If you want to know how to blog, click the I button above or check the description to watch that video. So these are the top 5 high-paying blog niches for 2024. Whether you are a seasoned blogger looking for the pivot into a more profitable niche or newbie blogger eager to kickstart your online career, these niches offer lucrative opportunity to monetize your passion and expertise. So pick a niche that resonates with you, start creating valuable content, and watch your blog soar to new heights of successful, happy blog.